Hi guys, hola and welcome back to my channel. It's Ramil's Reality Vlog again. For today's video guys, andito po tayo ngayon sa Panglao, Bohol. At binisita po natin ang newest destination. Actually, it's a restaurant. Basically, it's a restaurant here in Panglao. It's a newly open restaurant here in Panglao, Bohol. So, welcome to Mosa. So guys, ito po yung entrance nila. At the same time, yan po yung ano nila, yung sa baba po. Kasi parang, it's actually a two-story Mosa restaurant. So basically, it's actually an Asian cuisine. So where you can find different cuisines from all over the Asia. I'm not sure exactly what is all over Asia, but yes, I believe it's actually an Asian cuisine Mosa. So, yan po, ito po yung hagdan guys. Papunta po tayo ng second floor. Kasi we decided actually to stay or to have our late lunch here in Mosa. It so happened na yung pinsan ko po dito sa Cebu ay nag-repost po siya ng ganito pong restaurants. And then it so happened na pupunta din kami ng Bohol, so we decided na bisitahin po namin itong Mosa. Actually, we're staying in Bohol in Tagbilaran, which is again actually it's a little bit far from Panglao, pero binisita po talaga namin to siya guys. Kasi sa pictures po talaga nakita namin, sobrang nakaka-amaze. Sobrang ganda po talaga ng yung pictures nila. Tapos ngayon nung pinuntahan talaga namin, as in guys, sobrang ganda po talaga, as in. So, ayan, since dumating na po tayo at nakaupo na tayo, ito po yung setup po talaga, ito po yung setup ng table nila guys dito sa Mosa. Ayan po. And then, ayan, dumating na po yung order natin. As far as I remember, this is actually a bruschetta. And we have also the chicken. Actually, price is a little bit expensive actually. And you know what guys, what's the best here is the salad, promise. Ubos talaga namin yung salad nila kasi sobrang sarap talaga. Tas ayan, while hindi pa kompleto talaga yung orders namin, ayan, video lamang po muna tayo guys. Ayan. Tas ayan na, actually we're still waiting actually for other orders. Kasi I thought nagkaintindihan kami ng waiter. Akala ko kasi sabihin ko din siya na ipa-serve all together na lang. So hindi pala. So ayun, nag-antay na lang po kami. Well, actually that video tapos na po kami kumain guys. Ayan, di ba? Sobrang sarap po talaga mga pagkain nila guys, promise. As in, worth it po talaga yung presyo po. Ayun po, yung birthday andyan na. Happy birthday to po si Heart guys, yung birthday niya. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Yatin sa iyan. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Okay. Thank you. Thanks. Thank you. So, tapos na po ang lahat. Tapos na kaming kumain. Tapos na pong kinantahan yung partner ko ng birthday niya. Tapos, sinang ko siya kung na-surprise pa siya. Obviously, hindi po siya na-surprise guys kasi aware po talaga siya na papakantahan ko po talaga siya sa mga staff po ng Mosa. O diba? So, after that, ayan, binidyo po namin yung buong restaurants. Ito po yung bar nila guys. So, meron sa mga mocktails, mga cocktails dyan ng orders. So, tas ito yung labas po nila guys. Sobrang ganda ng view. As in, aesthetic po talaga sila. As in, ang ganda, ang galing ng idea guys. So, tapos ito, umalis na kami ng Mosa. Tapos naglalakad kami kasi we're planning to going to Blue Water. Tapos ito, nakita ko po yung fruit stand. Kaya video ko na lamang po. So, ayan guys, andito po tayo sa Blue Water Panglao. So, welcome to Blue Water Panglao again guys. Ayan. So, since member po kami ng Blue Water guys, kaya kinlaim na lamang po namin yung cake po namin dito sa Blue Water. Let's go. Kasi meron pong libreng cake po ang Blue Water kapag magbe-birthday ka po during your membership ha. So ayan, pinuntahan po talaga namin dito para kunin lamang po yung cake po ni Heart. And then dahil nga sa sobrang init din po guys, gusto ko po talagang maligo dyan.
So guys,
Okay guys, welcome to Blue Water Panglao here in Bohol.
tapos
So we're on our way going to inside the resort, the Blue Water Resort. It's kinda mainit guys, pero laban lang para sa
vlog nimo.
para sa pictorial.
Mauna. Nadiha. Mo ni nga saag guys.
We're not lost. So, ayan guys, andito po tayo sa loob ng Blue Water Panglao here in Bohol.
That side daw.
So, as you can see, ito po yung
That
first
side.
swimming pool nila guys. Ang Blue Water Panglao po guys, ay meron lamang po silang dalawang pool. Ito po yung main na pool at saka yung pangalawang pool is nasa kabila po.
This
So,
side, I think.
yung pwede ditong maligo is yung mga nakapag-stay po dyan, let's say mga nag-overnight or yung mga long stay. Yung mga membership po ng Blue Water ay dun po sa kabilang pool po maligo. So ayan po yung view po nila guys. Again, this is actually the main pool. Sobrang ganda as in promise. In person guys, kapag nakita nyo talaga yung view, nakaka-amaze po talaga sobra. Pero actually almost same lamang po sila ng yung parang interior po ng Blue Water Sumilon, Blue Water dito po sa Lapu-Lapu guys. So almost same lamang po. And then dito po yung reception nila guys. This is just only a temporary reception office nila since under construction pa po yung pinaka-office po talaga nila ng reception area. Tapos ayan, pumunta kami dito na side kasi nga kinlaim namin yung cake. At the same time nagbayad kami ng kasi nag-order din kami ng pizza. At the same time gusto ko pa talagang maligo kasi sobrang init po talaga guys, as in sobrang init po talaga that time, as in kaya I decided talaga na maligo ako. So after that, ayan, natapos na kami maglista ng pangalan namin, magbayad and all. Ayan, so lumakad na kami. Tapos yan po yung nakikita nyo guys, yun po yung mga bahay po nila. It's not actually the bahay, but kung saan po kayo pwede magstay. Yun po yun. Actually, almost same lamang po sila ng mga interior po sa iba nilang branches po ng Blue Water. So, ang maganda din dito guys is more on, meron sa mga bamboo dyan. Sobrang fresh talaga. So ito, papasok na po tayo sa pangalawa ng pool kung saan makikita nyo din guys yung restaurants nila. So yung restaurants na yan, dyan na lang dito, ayan po, yan po yung restaurants nila guys. So dito namin antayin yung pizza namin at the same time yung cake po namin na ibibigay po nila. So ayan. Tas actually gustong gusto ko po talaga maligo dyan. Kaso parang ako lang mag-isa guys, tapos wala kaming bit-bit na panligo. Pero I was actually convinced already na mag-brief na lang sana ako, pero wala eh. Again, I really love chandelier. So again, nakaka-miss naman yung chandelier nila dyan, diba? Nagagandahan po talaga ako guys ng chandelier every time na may makikita po talaga chandelier, as in nagagandahan po talaga ako. Tapos yun yung dagat po nila at saka yung parang playground nila where you can play the volleyball and all. Yung dagat na hindi masyadong maganda guys. Tama, hindi po masyadong maganda pero carry na. Maliit lamang po yung nila, yung space dito na area. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Walang masyadong tao pero itong mga tao na to, they are actually Chinese, Taiwanese or Koreans. They're playing volleyball. Tapos ito po yung pool. Yung second pool po nila guys, where the members actually can swim. Again guys, thank you so much and please keep on watching all my videos and my vlogs. So yeah, I hope you will enjoy our 3-day vacation here in Panglao, Bohol guys. So again, please, if you like the video, please don't forget to hit like, share, and please leave some comment. Thank you.